This is gonna be a pretty short video. I'm just gonna make some pork sausage, and I'm gonna be using the PCS seasoning blend, 117 TAC Bravo. It's just breakfast sausage seasoning, good for 25 pounds. And I'm just adding 1 ounce of red pepper and 0.7 ounces of fennel seed to it. And I also ordered some bags from PS Seasoning that I'm gonna use to put my sausage in. And I'm just gonna tie them with a string on top. We're gonna see how that work out. Just filling this up right now. Before I go ahead and hit that power switch. That way I can keep feeding it without reaching down. Some semi-frozen, some are not. Should be okay. Go ahead and start that. We got the coarse cut coming out first. Say some of them frozen, some are not. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this first batch through, get it all grind up, my coarse cut. All right, that's that first batch. First cut, coarse cut. All done. We're gonna get ready to change the blade and run it through for the second and final time. And we're just gonna take all that and throw it back in there and just send it through for the second grinding. We'll go ahead and put the smaller one on there. So all right, before I send this second batch through, I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasoning on here first. I'm using the whole package. Like I said, it's for 25 pounds. I'm a little under 25 pounds, but not by much, but we're gonna use the whole pack anyway. I'm gonna add my red peppers to it. I only measured off 1 ounce of red crushed pepper and 0.7 ounces of fennel seed. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit by hand before I run it through. Ooh, it's strong. Smells nice and savory. Alrighty, we're gonna run this through second and final time. I shouldn't have to use my mixer actually to mix this. It should do pretty good just going through this grinder. I shouldn't need my mixer. I don't feel like cleaning it anyway, but go ahead and run this through. Help it get through. Let's see what it's looking like. Second batch is all done. We'll go ahead and mix it up again. Then we're gonna run it through the stuffer. All right, the stuffer is filled. I'll be using my pedal right here. So, get this started. Meat should start coming out soon, and we're gonna stop it. There we go. Go back up. Okay, I got that first one filled. You got lines on the back the way you want, so I'm stopping right there, and I'm gonna tie that up with a knot, with a string, and we're gonna call it good. I'm gonna try to show you one of them just using one hand. See how this goes and trying to hold this camera at the same time. Switch hand with this camera. Got my foot pedal going. There. Push it back to stop it. The first one I did actually ain't that full to me. That second one I just did with one hand. It's a better fit, nice and full. And it's just like a little bit over that line. I think I like that. So we're gonna go with that. So that top line up there seemed to be the best bet. Give you a more fuller pack than this does. So I'm gonna be aiming for that last line there. They're coming along pretty good, pretty evenly. Like that was that first one, but like I said, start going there. They look fuller, they look better. So we're gonna keep it rolling. All right, I only filled 14 bags off this batch. You got a little baby one here too that I cut off when I ran out, but I feel the bag's pretty full. So I'm happy with that. We're gonna go ahead and clean the residual out of here and fry up a little batch and see what that tastes like. So we're gonna test some of these right now to see how they turn out. I mean, it smells delicious. Looks good. So it smells great too. All right, let's see what this looks like. Bring it up to the camera. Looks good. Nice and juicy. Look at that. Has a fantastic flavor. Look how juicy that is.